Hello students, welcome back to the YouTube channel of all previous year paper, and today we are going to discuss the previous year paper of Odisha Junior Assistant in Panchayat Executive Officer. As you all know that this examination was last held in 2015, and today we are going to discuss the exact same question paper which was asked in 2015 year. Okay, so as you can see, like, this is the first page of the question paper in which all the general instructions is written. And one more thing, like, this paper was a common paper for all the three posts at that time, which consist of personal assistant 2. Okay, personal assistant position was also included for this paper. Okay, so let's move further, and as you can see the heading of the second page, like, it is written set 1 GS, which means that are we expecting that only GS subject questions will be asked in this paper? Let's see. Okay, so as you can see the first 4 questions, and all these 4 questions are general awareness question, which means that these questions are of general knowledge subject or a current affair subject. Okay, let's move further. If we move to second page, in this we have asked the world day, like which day we are observing on 14th of November. Then exactly again this is a general awareness question. Okay, then again it is asked which severe tropical cyclone had hit Philippines in October 2015. Now this is current affair question. Okay, so we can see, like, general knowledge, general awareness and current affairs is included in these questions. Let's see question number 9th, which is written, who has translated the famous novel Uncle Tom's Cabin into Odia titled as Tamakanka Kutira. Okay, so now here comes the Odia subject. Okay, which means if you are appearing for this examination, you have to prepare well the Odia subject too. Got it, students? Now if we move further, we can see question number 11 to 16, and this question 11 to 16 you can see the question number 15, which is written, which of the keys does help in checking the spellings and grammar of text in Microsoft Word document. Now this is the question of computer subject. So what we have noticed till now: general awareness, GK, current affairs, computer and Odia. Correct, all these 5 subjects have been included till now in this question paper. Okay, let's move further. Now again, if I am seeing, match the quantities in column A with their units in column B and select the correct set of answers, like heat, luminous flakes, magnetic intensity, temperature. Now this is the question of general science. Okay, what we have expected here, like, this is the question of general science. So what we have observed till now, that general science question is there in the examination, but not only general science, current affair, GK, general awareness, Odia subject and computer subject, all these subjects are also included. Again, when we move to page number 6, we can see which one is the densest of the elements, what are the atoms having same number of neutrons called. Now this is a question of chemistry subject, so again this is a part of GS subject. Okay, let's move further. If we as you can see, which one of the following is the primary sex organs in the female? Now this is a question of biology, which is of general science subject. Again, the cells in which of the following organs in the human body are smallest? Again, biology question. Again, where was the high level international conference on climate change 2015 held? Now 33 number question. Now this is the current affair question. Okay, so current affairs is also included. Again, when we move further, which pair of the following photochemical pollutants are aromatics? The functional role of an organism in the ecosystem is known as, again, biology question. Which of one of the following was not a feature of a Rig Vedic period in India? Now this is the question of general knowledge, like, this is the question of history subject, which is part of GK subject. So again history is included here. Okay, now let's move further. As you can see, the question number 41, which of the following was not the principle of Bhakti movement? Now again question from history subject, which is part of GK subject. Let's move further. Then which one of the following battles and corresponding treaties is not correctly matched? Again, a history question. Which is the correct chronological sequence of the following viceroys of British India? Again, history question, like GK subject. Let's move further. Which of the Indian state has the largest coastline? Now, this is the question of static GK, which is the part of general knowledge subject, obviously. Now, let's move further. Which soils cover the largest area in India? Again, static GK question. Who among the following is not appointed by the president? Again, static GK question. What is the minimum age for election appointed as a member of a Rajya Sabha? Polity question. Now, again, what we can see on 63 number of question is, what fraction of the total membership of the house is the required quorum to hold meetings of the legislative assemblies? Polity question. Polity questions. And again, polity subject is going on right now, but along with it I can see GK questions also in this part, in this section. Let's move further. As you can see, identify the bank that is different from the other four in terms of its management: Axis Bank, HDFC, ICICI Bank, IDBI, IDFC. Now, this question is something like you should know the economy or the banking subject too here, or the current affairs wala part too. Now, when we move to page number 16, you can see on the 80th number of question, which is the square root of which of the following number is an integer. Now, this is the question of arithmetic or the math subject, or you can see quantitative aptitude subject. Now, there is one point that quant subject is also included in this question paper. Which one of the following figures is exactly divisible by 39? Again, quant question. Now, when we move further, how many cubes are there in the following figure? Now, this comes under quantitative aptitude subject, but more of this is the LR subject. This question is from logical reasoning subject. Okay, again a quant question, mensuration topic. A rectangle ABCD has dimensions of 20 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Mensuration question from quant subject. Again, the total emoluments of Chinmay and Manish per month are the same. However, they got allowances on their basic pays at the rate of 65%, 80%. What is the ratio between their basic pays? Now, ratio and proportion question of quant subject. So, I think this section is of quant subject. Now, when I move forward, I can see coordinate geometry question 2 here, which is of 93 number of question. The x and y coordinates of 6 points is here. So, you have to know the concepts of coordinate geometry 2 for this examination. Now, find the missing number in the following series. So, missing number series, like you should know number series wala concept 2. Coded language. If in a coded language dream is written, so this is the part of logical reasoning subject, like coding decoding chapter is also included here, which means logical reasoning was also asked back in 2015 in this examination. Again, Gandhi Jayanti was celebrated on the 2nd October 2015, which was a Friday. So, this is the question of calendar topic from logical reasoning subject again. When I move to 100th question, so this is Bikram start moving from a point A towards west by 20 meters and reaches point B. So, this is distance and direction question from logical reasoning subjects. So, what I have seen in this whole paper, that you have to prepare well computer subject, GK subject, general science subject, quant subject, logical reasoning subject, Odia subject, GS and general knowledge. As you have seen yourself, all these 100 questions consist of all these subjects. Okay, so like this is a short discussion of previous year paper of 2015. Let's move further, and I'll see you in my next video. If you like this video, if you like my content, just like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.